Good morning, you guys, or whatever time it is where you are. Well, it's 2:30. It is, it's not morning anymore. I am in my office right now, which is, if you guys have seen my last declutter video, you know that that's where I have my closet. Since the last declutter video that I did, it's accumulated a lot more, and there's a lot of things in here from like that last Zoffel haul that I did that I like hated everything in. There's just a lot that like, I don't know, I'm not like reaching for any of this stuff. So I'd like to do closet declutter number 2. I have thrifted a lot over the last couple weeks. I'm gonna be doing a thrift haul, and there's so much stuff that like I want to hang up and put here that is stuff I'm gonna wear. And then there's, so essentially I don't really have any hangers left. So that's kind of what we're doing as well. Let's just do a whole overhaul again. So today is gonna be a no makeup day because this is just a chill organization video kind of thing. I think I'm gonna do what I did last time, and that is talk you guys through it. If you haven't seen closet declutter number 1, watch that first. So we're gonna start over here with sweaters and stuff. You guys saw this last time. It's this big like fluffy thing, and I'm still gonna keep it. I still haven't worn it, but I'm still gonna keep it. This is a really great holiday sweater. I don't wear it now, but it's so good for the holidays. I am gonna take it off its hanger though and fold it and put it up on the rack up there. This is just like the most perfect, comfy, large, wear around the house sweater. It's gonna stay. Vintage Harley Davidson sweater. These are all just like regular, normal sweaters. These are just things that I wear like when I'm running errands and, you know, have to just go to the bank or something like that. I just wear those with leggings. I am gonna get rid of this one. See, I ran out of hangers. I had to start using these because it's really cropped and it is not really my style anymore, so that's gonna go. I'm gonna make a sell pile and a like Value Village pile. I'm gonna try to sell to Plato's Closet before I give to Value Village. I feel like this section is something that is not really changing. Let's just take this hanger out. So like all of these nude sweaters, like I love these. They're perfect for just wearing over things. So they're, you know, they're all staying. These are still things I wear, except this one. So this one is a bit itchy. It's one of my newer sweaters, but it's itchy, so we're gonna probably let it go. I'm still keeping these 2 jean jackets. Somebody asked in the last video why I'm keeping 2 jean jackets. This one is just normal, and this one was from a DIY I did. It's like a tassel jacket, so that's why I have 2. I am gonna get rid of this plaid shirt because I definitely don't wear it, but I cannot part with this red one for the life of me. This is a Vans plaid shirt. I just think it's still kind of like country-esque. There was a comment in my last declutter video, and it was like, oh, you already have like no clothes, why are you getting rid of so many? But honestly, the clothes that I wear on a regular basis are not here. They're like dirty, or they're in my bedroom, or they're hanging over the railing. The stuff that I'm consistently wearing is just like not up here, so I'm trying to make room for that stuff so that I can hang it up. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so this shirt, I think I wore it like once. For now, we'll keep it. I haven't been wearing it as much recently. Isn't this just like stunning? And then this Vans shirt, it says Vans Girl Gang on the arm. Love that shirt. This is something that's really cool, but I never wore it. It's funny, I know I keep referencing like the last video, but like every time I see something, it reminds me of a comment someone left. Someone was like, you're being so ruthless. And I was like, well, I don't know. I just hit an age where I'm like, why is this stuff hanging up if I don't wear it? Like, this is super great. It's something I got recently, but I don't like that it's like the super new Harley Davidson, you know what I mean? I'm gonna get rid of this thing. This Jack Vanning shirt is really cute, but it's kind of just like, just outgrown my style. This shirt is just, no. This is a shirt that says girls bite back on the collar. It's really cute. I don't know. We'll come back to it. So now I have like a couple black little tops. I don't need 3, so I'm gonna get rid of the long one. This shirt we can let go. This was a Zoffel top that is just weird. I just don't wear pink anymore. This bodysuit, just not my color. This shirt was a Zoffel thing. It can go. It can go. Y'all know this ain't going anywhere. This dress, bye. This dress, bye. This awful one from Zoffel. Zoffel is kind of like Forever 21, where sometimes it impresses you, but it doesn't matter. Even if it impresses you, it won't last. Like it won't hold up. So if, you know, this can go. No. These 2 dresses, you guys will have seen these in that Zoffel haul. Gonna get rid of these tablecloths. I don't like the material. This dress can go. This skirt can go. The only thing I was unsure of was this shirt, this Girls Bite Back shirt. I think we'll let it go. You know, it's funny because I always feel like we do this and then I'm like, oh, I didn't get rid of enough stuff. This is the pile of stuff we're getting rid of. I'm also gonna get rid of a couple pairs of shoes. So I have these shoes from Forever 21, big black booties, because I have way comfier, better ones as well. I'm gonna get rid of these misguided booties because they're just not my style anymore. So add those to the little haul. There's this jacket up here which I want to get rid of, but like essentially I know that they're not gonna take it just because that season is up, but I'll just give it to Value Village then. This is just like a really short skirt that we're gonna get rid of. So that can go. I have 2 black mini skirts, same thing, not really into that. This tank, we're gonna get rid of. I went back through and I found 3 more things that I just was like, no, they can go. This is what we have done today. This is amazing. This is so good. I know it still like looks like I have a lot, but like I said, I have a lot of thrifting stuff to put back up. So there's things in there that I'm still kind of unsure of, but like I'm just not ready to like part with. So essentially, I think this is literally amazing. So the plan is that we are gonna take all of this stuff to Plato's Closet and see how much money we get, I guess. I will look around. I don't know. I don't tend to do that well at Plato's Closet as of late. This is basically essentially what it looks like when I decide to do a closet declutter. I take everything to Plato's, and then whatever I don't take to Plato's, we're probably gonna go and just drop off. I think there's like a Talese kind of close near, so we'll probably go there. So that was insane. I don't know what the heck, but I literally made $165. What? Okay, that is like the most I've ever made at Plato's. You know what? Like usually they, usually they're really picky and stuff, but they took like almost everything. There's just a couple things that they didn't take. This like short skirt they didn't take. This knit sweater, which I assume because like winter's over, so that's kind of like I assume that. Or like this pink dress, but like they took everything else. So that is it for my closet declutter number 2. I will continuously do these because I think that they're fun to watch, and just like like I said, I know that there's a couple things that I wasn't ready to let go, so maybe in a couple months I'll be ready to do another one. I'm so excited I have space to hang up my thrift stuff now. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.